Before we start creating the gear assembly, let's look at how we can create gears inside Autodesk Inventor. I'm going to go to the Design tab, and looking in the Power Transmission area, we can see we can create shafts, gears, including spur, worm, and bevel, add bearings, V-belts, add keyways. We're going to focus on creating a spur gear setup. I've already decided that the design guide will be the number of teeth, a gear ratio of 7.1, a diametral pitch of 24. Currently there's 24 teeth showing. That will change once I create the two gears. Face width of 0.25 inches. Select the cylindrical face and the start plane. For the second gear, the face width has to be the same, so 0.25 inches. Select the face and select the start plane. Now notice the gears aren't meshing correctly at the moment. That will be corrected when I do the calculation. So when we look at the calculation, the design has failed. Notice that it has updated, but we still have a problem. The teeth have now updated to 12 and 84, which is what I expected. Looking at the calculation tab, I can see the power is 1 horsepower. That's way too much. I'm going to change that to 0.02 and do the calculation again, and that solves the problem. Back to the Design tab. Now I can click on OK to create the gears. So what we have are two spur gear blanks, correct number of teeth and profile, etc. But to make them a VEX gear, we need to do some more work. So let's go into the first gear, that's the 12 tooth gear. We'll open that up. So we're now in the part environment. In the part environment, I've gone ahead and made it the resin, which is what the material is, and I've overridden the color of white and using a customized plastic green color to match the plastic parts in VEX. I've already made the part, so let me move my end of part down, and you can see I added one extrusion and then a second cut extrusion for the square drive shaft to go through. And this would be a typical workflow for all of the gears. In properties, I can go to the physical properties, and since I applied the correct material, I get the mass and the volume.